Hello everyone, and welcome to Home English Network. Today's lesson is English at the restaurant. In this video, you will learn simple and useful English conversations that you can use when you visit a restaurant. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A1 English learners. Let's begin. Imagine you are walking into a restaurant. The waiter smiles and says, "Waiter, good evening. Welcome to our restaurant." Customer, "Good evening, waiter. How many people?" Customer, "2 people, please." Waiter, "This way, please." Customer, "Thank you." The waiter shows you to your table. Waiter, "Here is your table. Please have a seat." Customer, "Thank you very much." Now the waiter brings the menu. Waiter, "Here is the menu." Customer, "Thank you." Waiter, "Would you like some water?" Customer, "Yes, please." Waiter, "Still water or sparkling water?" Customer, "Still water, please." A few minutes later. Waiter, "Are you ready to order?" Customer, "Yes, I am." Waiter, "What would you like?" Customer, "I would like a chicken burger, please." Waiter, "Would you like fries with that?" Customer, "Yes, please." Waiter, "Anything to drink?" Customer, "I would like an orange juice." Waiter, "Anything else?" Customer, "No, thank you." Waiter, "Your order will be ready soon." Customer, "Thank you." Now let's learn some useful restaurant vocabulary. Restaurant, table, chair, menu, waiter, waitress, customer, order, food, drink, water, juice, tea, coffee, burger, pizza, soup, rice, chicken, fish, salad, dessert, bill. Repeat these words slowly and clearly. Now let's continue the conversation. After a few minutes. Waiter, "Here is your food." Customer, "Thank you." Waiter, "Enjoy your meal." Customer, "Thank you." The customer starts eating. After a while. Waiter, "Is everything okay?" Customer, "Yes, everything is delicious." Waiter, "I'm happy to hear that." Later. Customer, "Excuse me." Waiter, "Yes." Customer, "Could I have some ketchup, please?" Waiter, "Of course." Customer, "Thank you." A few minutes later. Customer, "Could I have another glass of water, please?" Waiter, "Certainly." Customer, "Thank you." Now the meal is finished. Customer, "Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?" Waiter, "Certainly. Here is your bill." Customer, "Thank you." Waiter, "How would you like to pay?" Customer, "I will pay by card." Or, Customer, "I will pay in cash." Waiter, "Thank you very much." Customer, "Thank you. The food was excellent." Waiter, "Have a nice day." Customer, "You too. Goodbye." Now let's practice another conversation. Waiter, "Hello. Welcome." Customer, "Hi, waiter. Would you like a table inside or outside?" Customer, "Inside, please." Waiter, "Please follow me." Customer, "Thank you." Waiter, "What would you like to drink?" Customer, "A cup of tea, please." Waiter, "And what would you like to eat?" Customer, "I would like a cheese sandwich and a salad." Waiter, "Great choice." Customer, "Thank you." Now let's learn useful restaurant sentences. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Can I see the menu? Could I order now? I would like a pizza. I would like some soup. Can I have a spoon? Can I have a fork? Can I have a knife? Could I have some water? Could I have more bread? Could I have some ketchup? Could I have the bill? Thank you for your service. The food is delicious. Everything is perfect. Now repeat after me. The food is delicious. I would like some coffee. Can I have the menu, please? Could I have the bill, please? Thank you very much. Excellent. Now let's practice pronunciation. Welcome, restaurant, menu, order, delicious, breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, customer. Practice saying these words slowly every day. Now remember these important tips. Always say, please, when asking for something. Always say, thank you, after receiving something. Speak slowly and clearly. Smile and be polite. Don't worry about making mistakes. Practice these conversations every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. English becomes easier when you use it in real-life situations. Today's homework. Read this conversation aloud 2 times. Practice the new vocabulary. Try speaking the dialogue with a friend or family member. Use these sentences in front of a mirror. Keep practicing every day. Thank you for watching Home English Network. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are learning English. See you in the next English lesson. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.